3. There once was a woodcutter who was honest and kind. He only cut wood from dried branches and sold them for firewood. Despite the fact that he made very little money, he was content. One day, when he was cutting the dried parts of a tree close to a waterway, his hand slipped and his iron hatchet fell into the stream. He bounced into the waterway and looked for his hatchet, yet he was unable to track down it. He sat on the bank of the river and started crying, because he had lost his only axe and didn't have enough money to buy a new one. All of this was being watched by the forest angel, who felt sorry for the woodcutter and considered offering his assistance. He came up to him and inquired as to why he was crying. The woodcutter stated that his axe fell into the river. As a result, he is unable to cut any woods without it, and he lacks the funds to purchase a new one. The Timberland holy messenger vowed to help him. He hopped into the stream and returned with a silver hatchet, and found out if it is his hatchet. The woodcutter answered no. The Timberland holy messenger again bounced into the stream and returned with a brilliant hatchet, and asked the woodcutter, is it his hatchet? The forest angel jumped into the river with an old iron axe, and when the woodcutter saw the old iron axe, he jumped with joy and thanked the forest angel for finding his axe. The woodcutter responded with a no and claimed that his axe was an old iron axe once more. The Timberland holy messenger was a lot of satisfied by the woodcutter's trustworthiness, and he said, your genuineness fulfilled me, so keep the brilliant hatchet and silver hatchet as my gift. And he vanished. The woodcutter went to the city to sell the brilliant and silver hatchet. The dealer inquired the woodcutter how he got both the tomahawks, and the woodcutter recounted to the trader the entire story. The shipper purchased the hatchet and accompanied an arrangement. The following day the trader camouflaged himself as a woodcutter and went to the waterway bank. He claimed to cut the tree and put the hatchet into the stream deliberately, and began to cry. The backwards holy messenger, realizing his arrangement, showed up before him and inquired as to why he is crying. The shipper said that his hatchet fell into the stream, and he is excessively poor to purchase another hatchet. The woodland holy messenger hopped into the stream and returned with a brilliant hatchet. On seeing the brilliant hatchet, the voracious trader yelled in satisfaction, it is mine. The Timberland heavenly messenger set the hatchet back into the water and vanished, saying he is a liar. Consequently, the ravenous dealer lost his hatchet.